Hi, this is Dr. Serena Killam. I'm doing a quick walkthrough tutorial here on how to use Scrivener for writing your thesis. So one of the really great reasons that I think Scrivener is really good is that it lets you write in chunks and move those chunks around. So in the earlier video, I showed you how to make these chapters and have these sections within the chapters. Now this view I've got over here is on the pinboard view. And let's say if I'd written about this concept and I decide actually I want to start with concept 3 here. I've named 2 of them too there. You can just see that on the pinboard I can drag and drop them and it reorders it over here in my outline. I can also, anything that I do here, if let's say I decide concept 1, actually that's a subcategory of concept 3 and that's the better way for it to be organized. You can see now I've got a little stack here and that shows that contains more sections. The other thing I can do in the view here, let's click this arrow over here and I want to have a look at the word count, and I also want to have a look at the target and how well I'm doing on that target. So all my introductions, they should have a target of around 350 words, but there's nothing in there at the moment. All my conclusions, they should have a target of 250 words. And because each chapter, let's say, is going to be 5,000 word chapters, probably want 1,000 words on this, and I want 1,000 words on that. And I could see that therefore this chapter isn't really as bulky as what my other chapters would be because I don't quite have the word count there yet. I'm just going to go out to the net here. Let's look up a Lorem Ipsum generator to grab me some text. Lorem Ipsum generator. I've visited this page many times. Yes, I probably have. So yes, 5 paragraphs, that would be nice. I'm just going to grab this text here, copy it, go back to Scrivener. So let's go into my introduction, Control V, there's a lot of my text. Control V, let's say I've doubled the amount in that. Control V, we'll delete some in here. Control V, we'll delete a bit in here as well, just so we get some different word counts. Let's go back. Now you can see in this progress view, you can see my introduction. I had 526 words, but my target was only 350, so my progress shows as green. Here as well, the number of words is over the target. Here, the number of words is less than my target. So this is a really great way to make sure that all your chapters are balanced. So you can set overall targets and you can set section targets. And that's an important part of writing a thesis, is that your chapters are all of a similar shape and size across the thesis, and this allows you to manage that, to set yourself targets for how long each bit should be, and to write to it or to know when you've gone over your target.